Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are going to start unit 5. Its title is My Beloved Pakistan. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about personal pronouns. Before this in English for grade 4, I have already taught you about pronouns, especially object pronouns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to illustrate the use of pronouns learnt earlier. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hijr, verse 9. Indeed, it is we who sent down the Quran, and indeed, we will be its guardian. Yes, my dear children, what this verse is telling us, that Quran has been sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and it is being guarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why each and every word of Quran is truth and it is saved. The way it was sent till the time, alhamdulillah, it is with us. So my dear children, one thing more I want you to look at this verse. Here, we has been used. In grammar, what do we call it? Do you know that? Okay. So tell me then, what are pronouns? And what is the object pronoun? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember that pronouns are those words that take the place of a noun. And by the way, what is noun? Everything around us is a noun. So noun may refer to person, place, thing. And when we replace this naming word, this noun, with another word, that word is called pronoun, right? Object pronoun are those pronouns that receive the action. We have studied in detail in grade 4. Again, we'll revise it today, inshallah. And subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action. When a pronoun receives the action, it is object pronoun. When pronoun performs the action, it is subject pronoun, right? So let's see, what does your book say about it? Here it is. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. There are different kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun. The words I, you, he, she, it, they, and we are called personal pronouns. Why? Because we know pronoun replaces a noun, and all these are the replacement of persons. That's why they're called personal pronouns, right? And they take the place of noun and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Okay? They are used as subject. I, you, he, she, it, they, we. They are the subject form of pronoun. Okay? And what is subject? In sentence structure, I have taught you. The one who does the action, the one who does the verb. So a person is doing verb, and we have replaced the name, the noun of person with these words. They are called personal pronouns, right? And this is the subject case of the subject pronouns. The subject of a sentence is a noun or a pronoun that performs the action, right? Let's understand with the help of an example. My name is Daud. I am the youngest in the family. Now, my name is Daud, okay? And Daud is saying I. Now, this thou has been replaced with a pronoun I. I am the. He's not saying, my name is Daud. Daud is the youngest. I am the youngest. Now we know, because we can link it, this I is actually the replacement of Daud. Now look at this picture and tell me, who is Daud? Yes, the youngest boy standing here. You see, these are all the family members are there, and he is saying, I'm Daud, and he's raising hand. I'm Daud, and I'm the youngest in the family. This is how, my children, this in our routine we talk, and in writing we write like this. Do you understand? Okay. And there are more examples in your book. Let's read it. This is my father. He is a teacher. Now, who is teacher? My father is a teacher. This is my mother. She is a lawyer. My mother is a lawyer, and this she is telling, like this, she is in fact replaced my mother. Okay. They cooked chicken last night. They cooked chicken. Assalamu alaikum, children. You may sit down. Now this you is referring to children. So children is a noun and you is personal pronoun, and it is subject case of personal pronoun. My family and I live in a big city. My family and I live in a big city. We have an apartment. Who have apartment? We. My family and me. You see, this is how pronoun replaces noun. And all these are the subject form of pronouns, right? The next is the words me, you, him, her, it, us, and them are also personal pronouns. They also take the place of nouns. These pronouns are used as the object of the word. These pronouns are used as object of verb in a sentence, and the object of a sentence is a noun or a pronoun that receives the action. That receives. When action is received, that is called object form of pronoun. Do you understand? Let's understand with the help of an example. I am standing on my head. Now this boy is saying, I am standing on my head. Look at me. So look at me. This me is referring to the object pronoun because he wants us to look at him. So we are doing the action, and the one who is receiving the verb is object case, right? Okay, let's understand with more examples. It's written in your book. My mother is kind. Everybody likes her. Sidra and Zubair. Zubair's Abu is waiting for you. Abu is waiting. Sidra and Zubair, Abu is waiting for you. Now, this you is for Sidra and Zubair. Ramiz and I are playing in the park. Father is watching us. So we two are there, Ramiz and I, and father is watching us. So because father is watching us, so this us is objective pronoun, object pronoun, objective case of pronoun. Are you getting it? Okay, we'll understand it further. You must not play with the knife. Give it to me. Baby birds cannot fly. The mother bird has to feed them, right? Now, all these encircled pronouns are object pronouns, right? Are you clear? Okay, so let's understand it further. There are two tables. First table is telling us the subject pronoun, and the second table is telling us the object pronoun. If we are talking about first person singular, and by the way, who is first person singular? The one who is talking to you. I am the first person singular, okay? So I, and if I ask you to do something for me, it becomes object pronoun, right? For second person, you, in both cases, it's you. For third person, male is he. For female, it's she. And for non-living or animals, it's it. In object cases, him, her, and it. For first person plural, it's we, and object form is us. For second person plural, again, it's you and you. And for third person plural, it's they and them. Right? So here is a table. This is the subject form, subject pronouns. This is the list of object pronoun. Look at them carefully and match it with the relevant column. So pause the video, complete this exercise on your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So are you clear with the concept? I'm going to check it through an activity. And this activity is very interesting. What we are supposed to do? First of all, the title of the activity is Roll the Dice about personal pronouns. Teams have to make a funny sentence using elements that have been decided by the throw of the dice. Teacher will divide the class into 2 teams and make a list of 6 verbs, subjective pronoun, objects, and objective case of pronouns. On each turn, you will roll the dice 4 times and mark the numbers on the board. The teams must come up with a funny sentence by using these selected words. You got it? So what we are going to do, this is how your teacher is going to prepare the board. There will be 6 verbs, 6 pronouns, 6 objects, and 6 objective pronouns, right? Now what you will do, your teacher will give you a dice like this. Teacher, it's very simple. I have made it by myself. So you can make a dice like this. What you will do, you will roll it for first time for verb. For example, if you roll it for the first time and there comes 3, it means number 3 word. Second time we roll it and it comes, for example, 2. So, you. Third time we roll it and it becomes road. Okay. And it becomes him. Now, these 4 words are for you. You are going to make a funny sentence by using these words. So, you asked him to eat the road. That's funny. You understand? This is how you will use subject pronoun, object pronoun, and verbs together and make a sentence by rolling the dice. Understand? Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, all of you. Now settle down. We are going to practice it from your book again. What you will do, use correct pronoun to complete the given sentences. So here sentences are given. You have to read it carefully. In first part, subjects are given. So you will complete by using pronoun over here. Okay. So pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write in your notebook a paragraph consisting of 5 to 6 sentences using personal pronouns. And for further practice, I'm giving you 2 worksheets. My dear fellow teachers, these worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click them, download, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, in this first part, you have to select the correct pronoun from the list. Okay, there are 3 options. You have to select the correct one. Again, in second part, you have to select one from these 2 columns. Here, you will complete the sentence by using the object pronoun. In this part, you will complete the sentence by using subject and object, both type of pronouns. So be careful, read carefully, and complete all these tasks on these worksheets. In this way, what we have learned, we learned that pronoun are those words that take the place of a noun. We learned that subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence, and object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to illustrate the use of pronoun learned earlier. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.